Hello guys, did you notice in your project MVP BOQ under the drainage system, the kitchen waste pipes must be calculated separately? Did you know the reason for this? If not, you can see this session until the end. Before discuss this matter, we can divide the drainage pipe into 4 categories. The first one is the soil pipe, the second one is the waste pipe, third one is the vent pipe, the fourth one is the drain water drainage pipe. So if you want to learn more in these 4 categories, you can check our YouTube channel or you can check in my LinkedIn previous post, so you can get in-depth knowledge for these 4 categories. And also we discussed the drainage pipe measurement ideas also in our previous session. So we have 2 ways to calculate the drainage pipe. The first one is we have to calculate the horizontal drainage pipe separately, and also the second way is we have to calculate the vertical pipe separately. So this is the behind idea of the drainage pipe measurement. Alright, so the problem is why we have to calculate this kitchen waste pipe separately. So this is our main intention of this session, right? So now I'm going to discuss the reason for the separate calculation. The first one is the high grease and oil content. Generally the kitchen waste water includes the oil, grease and fat elements, so we have to remove these elements regularly. So that's why we have a separate arrangement or a special arrangement. So a special arrangement means we can say we have to attach some grease traps, separate these grease and oil elements. So you can see here, this is the grease trap, the real time picture. The kitchen waste water, it's coming through this way, and the grease trap, the first portion, it separates the solid particles and the grease particle, and the water it's going through this way and it's placed in the second portion. Then the second portion is trapping some oil elements and other things. Finally the waste water, it's going through this way. So we have to attach in these grease traps along with the kitchen pipe. So in this grease trap we especially attached only for the kitchen waste pipe, and previously we discussed the other categories: soil pipe, waste pipe, vent pipe and drain water drainage pipe. These also the drainage pipe, but we are not going to attach like this grease trap. So that's why we have to calculate this kitchen waste pipe separately. The second one is the separate treatment. So the separate treatment mean before enter the kitchen waste water to the main drainage system, we have to remove the old solid particle from the kitchen waste water. So we have to make some pre-treatment to remove the solid particle from the kitchen waste water. The third one is a different flow characteristic. It means the kitchen waste water flow rate and waste type is different from the other waste pipe. So that's why we have to select the suitable materials and pipe sizing and gradient of the pipe. So we have to ensure these all things. The fourth one is the maintenance consideration. So the kitchen waste pipes are the highly maintenance components if compared with the other waste pipe. So we have to fix some special clean out systems and other pipe fittings accessories. For these reasons we have to calculate this kitchen waste pipe separately. So in your project also you have to aware for this pipe measurement. So during your quantity check of time you have to especially focus where is the kitchen waste pipe. So if you find out this kitchen waste pipe, you have to calculate this pipe separately.